In which of the following relations is y a function of x? Starting with part A, I'm going to list out the x values and the corresponding y values. So x equals 1 corresponds with y equals 4. X equals 2 corresponds to y equals 5. And x equals 3 goes with y equals 7. I see that each of these x values only has one single target y value. That says that yes, A represents y as a function of x. We do the same with part B. We pair up the x values and y values. So the first point says that x equals 1 corresponds to y equals 4. The second point says x equals 2 corresponds to y equals 5. And this third point says that x equals 1 also corresponds to y equals 7. So here we have a single x value, x equals 1, that has more than one y value. That's bad. That says this is not a function. We go into part C, we do this the same way. We look at the x values and the corresponding y values. So x equals 1 corresponds with y equals 4. X equals 2 corresponds with y equals 4. And x equals 3 also corresponds with y equals 4. Now in this case, there is a y value that has more than one x, but that is not a problem. Here, x equals 1 only has one y value, x equals 2 only has one y value, and x equals 3 only has one y value. So each x only has one y, so this is also a function.